Hi there, folks. Hey, what are my thoughts on Haven Life being shuttered by MassMutual? First of all, who the heck is Haven Life? So Haven Life was created back in 2015 by MassMutual to go directly after the consumer when it comes to selling life insurance. Well, here 8 years later, MassMutual has said, hey, we can't do this anymore because, surprise, surprise, customer acquisition is just too expensive. Now, for those of you that have spent decades in this business, trying to get customers to trust them, whether it's annuities, life insurance, term insurance, permanent insurance, securities, whatever. What is your response to that? My response to that when I read that was, no shit. Yes, customers are very expensive to get. Again, many of you have spent decades trying to do this. Think of a car. When you purchase a car, it's a 5, 6, 7, maybe 3-year commitment, a long-term commitment. Even if you know what car you're going to purchase, you don't just walk into the dealership. Generally, I don't anyway. Maybe I'm obsessive compulsive. I don't walk into the dealership and say, hey, I want that Escalade right there. Even if I want that Escalade, no, I'll say, hey, here's the one I'm looking at. Am I on the right track? What about this one? What about that one? It is a bit of a trust building process. There has to be humans involved with long-term commitments. And with life insurance, forget the human element, forget the fact that psychologically, I'm probably never gonna have a benefit from this term life insurance policy. Yes, my heirs will, but I will never get a benefit. That's a bit of a hurdle with life insurance, right? The fact that people are purchasing something they will never get a benefit from, which requires human intervention because we're talking emotions there. So forget that part of emotions. Let's talk about the long-term commitment of life insurance. We're not talking a 5-year car here. Even with term life insurance, we're talking 10 years, 20 years, 30 years. So yes, there is a lot of emotions involved, and it takes so much more than just a 1-800 number. How can carriers help financial professionals? Number one, research shows that consumers research a lot online when it comes to life insurance. But do they purchase online when it comes to life insurance? Folks, I have a drop ticket on my website. Never have I had a consumer, not even one that already knows me, trust me, never have I had a consumer just go to that drop ticket and boom, hey, I want to buy this life insurance policy. No, it doesn't happen. Consumers like to research online. However, this is where carriers can help us. Think of the research tools, think of the research ideas that you can help agents put in front of clients. Number two, again, they go to the agents when it comes to that indecision. Hey, can you at least tell me I'm on the right track before I purchase this multi-decade commitment or 10-year term, a 10-year commitment, right? Can you talk with me about the convertibility privileges? Who is this life insurance company? And that leads me to insurance carriers can help make our lives easier by just better underwriting systems, better underwriting processes. We're making a lot of headway in the industry when it comes to this stuff. I'll tell you, medical technology has outpaced our ability to underwrite efficiently and quickly over the last couple of decades. So continue to try to enhance the process of consumers when they actually do go to the financial professional, which is what happens to purchase that policy.